What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Kelly B coming at you with another video, y'all. Today, man, it's Saturday, man, so you all will be feeling good. I know some of us are off work, some got to work Saturday, so hey, man, but man, enjoy your life. Whatever you got to do, do it. But man, I got a sweet video for you, but it's not going to be an installation video. It's just going to show you what I'm finna put on Khrome, because I'm going to add some more stuff onto Khrome. I'm going to redo the clutch, but today, y'all, I got a performance machine derby cover. Check it out. That's the performance machine derby cover. You can get this in chrome, you can get it in black. I got it in the contrast cut. You can see the screws right here. It come with the screws and everything. So yeah, we're gonna get this put on, y'all. Like I said, it's gonna be short and sweet. It ain't gonna be nothing long and drawn out. Everybody know how to put a derby cover on. Just make sure when you put it on, you use the 5-star pattern, putting it on. Don't tighten it too tight. Make sure you use your blue Loctite and everything like that, so that you can get it on here really good. Cause later on, y'all, I'm gonna redo some stuff on the clutch. But I'm not having any issues. It's just I'm gonna add some stuff to the clutch. So yeah, but yeah, we're gonna get this on today, man, and we're gonna check it around and go for a ride. Black Gold Harley Davidson. My Harley Davidson is having some on today. So yeah, we're gonna ride over there and may do a little video while we over there. You know me, I like to video my people. They service me, they take care of me. So hey, I'm gonna go promote them. So yo, let's get this on. Like I say, it's not gonna be an installation video, so let's get it done, baby. I see y'all in the few. Hey y'all, one good thing about the derby cover here, you can use the same exact Harley Davidson gasket. So you don't have to order nothing special. You can go to Harley Davidson. If you just change your primary fluid right here, you can just reuse the same gasket like I did, because I just changed it before I went to Daytona. So yeah, so it's on here, so it looks good. I'm loving the look because it just goes with all the contrast cut parts that I have on the bike, y'all. So yeah, that's what I was going to fire it up right now. Make sure we don't have any leaks on the bike. So let's do that really quick. Like everything is good, y'all. Man, that's machine performance, y'all. Make sure you check out the website and get this. This wasn't a sponsor video or anything. It's just something that I got on my own because I know that I was doing some more work to the clutch. So man, that's gonna be it for the day. I told you short and sweet. But until next time, the next grind, y'all stay safe and have a blessed one, baby. Peace. We rolling.